Remote working, online meeting, Zoom, Skype, videos, so all this situation require a specific skill to speak in front of a camera. And in this video I'm going to give you 7 tips about how to do it without investing any money. Ciao ragazzi, I'm Carlo Loiudice coach. Welcome to the English playlist of my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on the other socials, and let's start with today's topic. How to make videos. Being an actor and a video creator, I want to share with you 7 tips you might need that require zero money. Tip number 1, look at the camera. Whether you're using a phone, a webcam or a professional camera, if you want to meet your audience size, you need to look at the camera. Even if you are using your phone as I'm doing now, if you're looking at your own image on the screen, you will have this effect. If you look at the camera, you will have this one instead. As you can see, the difference is terrific. If it helps, put a sticker near your camera in a way that it will keep your eyes' attention. Next step will be looking through the camera, imagining the eye of the person standing in front of you, but kein stress, no stress, step by step. Tip number 2, set the camera at eye level in order to avoid low-angle shots or shots from above or from other strange positions. The camera must be roughly at eye level. This will help to create a connection between you and your attendee. Tip number 3, stand in the center of the frame with some space above you, but not too much. Take the right distance from the camera in order to share part of the chest and so that your hands are free to move and be actively involved. And as an Italian, I could not speak without moving my hands. Mamma, il caffè, la pizza, il mandolino, il sole mio. Tip number 4. Have a diffused front light. Don't stand with the window behind you if you don't want to be casted in silhouette. Natural light is most of the time the best light, but you can also use some artificial lamp. Just make sure that your picture is not overexposed. Tip number 5, audio. When we choose a video on YouTube, for example, we barely watch video made with bad audio. Our brain can compensate for low quality images, but not for bad audio. Using the computer or the phone, audio might pick up all the background noises, but you can use your headphones if they have a microphone. Tip number 6, take care of the background. Try to find a nice spot in your studio or create one. I would suggest not having any distracting pictures or strange objects behind you. And most importantly, don't forget private things that you don't want to show. Tip number 7, wear appropriate clothes. Smart working allows you to work from your place, but it doesn't mean you can be sloppy or too casual. Of course, it depends from the context, but wear something that makes you feel comfortable and still appropriate at the same time. And as I promise, you don't need to invest any money, but just attention and practice. Right here below, your comments and suggestions about this topic. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Visit my website carloloiudice.com if you want directly get in touch with me. Ciao ragazzi, see you on the next video.